Earth, our home, is a small blue dot suspended in the vast cosmic ocean. It is the cradle of everyone you've ever known, every human who has ever lived, and every story ever told. Our journey begins here, but to comprehend the true scale of the universe, we must venture far beyond its familiar boundaries. As we zoom out, past the atmosphere, beyond the moon, and away from the sun and our solar system, we embark on an epic quest to grasp the immense vastness of the cosmos. The moon, our first cosmic milestone. Our journey starts with the moon, Earth's closest celestial neighbor, located approximately 384,000 kilometers away. This distance is so great that traveling by car at a constant speed of 100 kilometers per hour would take over 160 days to reach it. From the moon's vantage point, Earth appears as a delicate sphere of blues and greens, cradled in the infinite black void of space. This humbling view, known as the pale blue dot from a later perspective, underscores the fragility of our planet and our place in the cosmos. The Sun, the heart of our solar system. Continuing outward, we reach the Sun, situated about 1 astronomical unit, AU, from Earth, or roughly 150 million kilometers. This distance serves as the standard measuring stick for our solar system. Light, traveling at an astonishing 300,000 kilometers per second, takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to journey from the Sun to Earth. If you were to travel this distance in a commercial jet flying at 900 kilometers per hour, the journey would take approximately 19 years. The Sun, a colossal fiery giant, sustains life on Earth from this immense distance, reminding us of the vastness even within our own solar neighborhood. Mars, the red neighbor. Venturing further, we set our sights on Mars, our enigmatic red neighbor. At its closest approach, Mars is about 54.6 million kilometers from Earth, but this distance can stretch to 401 million kilometers when the two planets are on opposite sides of the Sun. Traveling to Mars in a commercial jet would take upwards of 50 years. This vast expanse poses significant challenges for space exploration, as the constantly shifting distances and orbital dynamics complicate missions to the red planet. The rovers and probes we've sent to Mars endure journeys fraught with complexity, highlighting the immense scale of even our nearest planetary neighbors. Neptune, the edge of our solar system. As we journey to the outermost reaches of our solar system, we encounter Neptune, the distant ice giant, located roughly 4.5 billion kilometers from Earth. Sunlight, racing across the vacuum of space, takes about 4 hours and 15 minutes to reach Neptune from the Sun. This staggering distance illustrates the enormity of our solar system. Launched in 1977, the Voyager 1 spacecraft embodies humanity's relentless curiosity to explore beyond known boundaries. As of now, Voyager 1 has traveled over 22 billion kilometers from Earth, making it the farthest human-made object from our planet, a silent wanderer in the cosmic sea. The pale blue dot, a moment of reflection. In 1990, at the suggestion of astronomer Carl Sagan, Voyager 1 turned its camera back toward Earth for one final photograph, taken from a distance of about 6 billion kilometers. This iconic image, known as the pale blue dot, shows Earth as a tiny, faint speck in the vastness of space. Sagan's poignant reflection on this image emphasizes our responsibility to cherish and preserve our only home, a small, fragile dot in the immense universe. The Oort cloud, the boundary of our solar system. At the fringes of our solar system lies the Oort cloud, a theoretical sphere of icy objects extending up to 100,000 astronomical units, or about 1.9 light-years, from the Sun. This immense distance places it on the cusp of interstellar space. Scientists define the boundary of interstellar space, known as the heliopause, as the point where the Sun's solar wind is halted by the interstellar medium. The Oort cloud marks the final frontier of our solar system, a transitional zone where the Sun's influence fades, and the journey into the galaxy truly begins. Alpha Centauri, the nearest star system. Venturing beyond our solar system, we arrive at Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our Sun, located about 41.3 trillion kilometers away, or roughly 4.4 light-years. This distance equates to over 276,000 astronomical units, rendering the AU impractical for interstellar measurements. Instead, astronomers use the light year, the distance light travels in 1 year. With current technology, a journey to Alpha Centauri is nearly unimaginable. Voyager 1, traveling at 17 kilometers per second, would take over 70,000 years to reach this neighboring star system. This vast distance underscores the challenges of interstellar travel and the immense separation between stars. The Milky Way, our galactic home. Our journey now expands to the grand scale of the Milky Way, our home galaxy, spanning approximately 100,000 light-years in diameter. This spiral galaxy hosts hundreds of billions of stars, each potentially with its own planetary systems. Within this vast structure lies the human radio bubble, a sphere extending about 100 light-years from Earth, representing the farthest reach of our radio and television broadcasts. Beyond this bubble, humanity's presence is undetectable, as our signals have not yet reached the vast majority of the galaxy. The Milky Way scale is so immense that our entire recorded history is but a faint whisper in the cosmic wind, lost in the galaxy's vastness. The local group, our cosmic neighborhood. Leaving the Milky Way, we enter the realm of intergalactic space and encounter the local group, a cluster of more than 50 galaxies spanning approximately 10 million light-years. This diverse assembly includes spiral galaxies like the Milky Way and Andromeda, as well as numerous smaller dwarf galaxies. The distances here are so vast that light takes 10 million years to travel from one end of the local group to the other. This immense scale dwarfs anything within our galaxy, emphasizing the enormity of the universe. Intergalactic space is a silent expanse, a vast wilderness between islands of galactic light, where our galaxy is just one tiny speck among many. The Virgo supercluster, a cosmic metropolis. Expanding our view further, we encounter the Virgo supercluster, an enormous collection of galaxy groups and clusters, including our local group, spanning about 110 million light-years, or 33 megaparsecs. This titanic structure contains thousands of galaxies, each with myriad stars and planets. The Virgo supercluster is a colossal cosmic metropolis, a testament to the universe's grandeur, where our Milky Way and local group are mere components of a much larger structure. The Laniakea supercluster, our galactic home. Journeying outward, we arrive at the Laniakea supercluster, an immense congregation of galaxies that includes the Virgo supercluster and stretches over 500 million light-years. Meaning immense heaven, in Hawaiian, Laniakea contains the mass of 100 million billion suns, a gravitational masterpiece of galaxy clusters, superclusters, and countless celestial bodies bound in a cosmic web. At its heart lies the Great Attractor, a mysterious region exerting a massive gravitational pull on the galaxies within Laniakea. In this vast expanse, our Milky Way, local group, and Virgo supercluster are but tiny components of a majestic structure that provides profound context for our existence. The observable universe, the limits of our vision. As we reach the boundaries of our cosmic exploration, we encounter the observable universe, an astronomical marvel stretching about 93 billion light-years in diameter. This raises a fascinating question. If the universe is only 13.8 billion years old, how can it be so vast? The answer lies in cosmic expansion, which has stretched space since the Big Bang, increasing distances between celestial bodies. Beyond the observable universe lies one of cosmology's greatest mysteries. What lies outside our view? Some regions of space are expanding away from us faster than light, placing them forever beyond our reach. The true size of the entire universe remains unknown, potentially infinite, leaving us with the humbling realization that the observable universe, vast as it is, may be just a tiny fragment of the cosmic expanse. A humbling perspective. Our journey through the cosmos, from Earth to the observable universe, reveals the staggering scale of existence. From the Moon to the Oort cloud, from Alpha Centauri to the Laniakea supercluster, each step expands our perspective, reminding us of our small, yet significant place in the universe. As we gaze into the depths of the ever-expanding cosmos, we are left with a sense of awe and responsibility to cherish our tiny blood, the only home we've ever known, in the vast cosmic ocean.